Hari Jumaat pertama untuk tahun 2025 dan kita dah ada news unemployment claims yang telah keluar lebih rendah dari forecast, which means that the economy di US sedang baik. The economy is good. So kalau economy baik, buat apa Fed perlu potong interest rates? So this is probably why Fed telah kurangkan pemotongan interest rates untuk tahun ini, and that's why we saw the dump at the last FOMC meeting last month. At the last rate cut last month. Okay, selain daripada tu, kita ada juga Trump inauguration pada 20 January, which is supposed to be a bullish event sebab Trump akan masuk office. Dan Trump based on apa dia telah cakap, dia memang pro crypto dan dia ada plan untuk kembangkan crypto, but we'll see what actually happens bila dia masuk office. So itu ialah pada 21 January, sorry, bukan 20, 21 January. Okay. In other news, the market has been looking pretty good. Ada banyak sektor yang sedang pump, terutamanya AI sector yang mempunyai 60% of the mind share, which means a lot of attention is going to the AI sector, right? Tetapi saya juga telah nampak beberapa sektor lain, terutamanya memes yang sedang mula bergerak juga, right? So let's take a look at the charts right here. Bitcoin 4 hour time frame, kita nampak sebuah rejection sini disebabkan kita sedang berada di value area high of the current small range here, range kecil ini. Okay, kalau kita tengok based on the big range juga, okay, kita tarik sebuah point of control sini, we can also see that garisan merah lines up very nicely with the current value area high. So it is natural to see a rejection here sebab ada dua level yang telah menjadi resistance. Okay, but in other news, we can see on a lower time frame lebih jelas that we are currently in a uptrend, right? So rejection here, kita nak tengok dia membuat sebuah higher low somewhere around this support level, which could also be right where our point of control dekat bawah sini. So not very nice actually, point of control very low. So ideally saya nak tengok dia maintain di atas support sini, right? Kalau kita tak dapat maintain dan buat higher low dekat atas sini, is likely we may continue down to the point of control about 93k, right? So not very good, but let's see how it reacts on this support level. So kalau you nak cari sebuah long trade, this could be a potential long trade you're looking for. Nak trade ke mana? Trade of course to about 100k sini for short term target. Kenapa? Sebab kita ada liquidity yang agak tebal di 100k, about 160 million of liquidations at 100k. So if we get a bounce and push back up, this is where I would be looking to target for the next sweep of liquidity. Okay, so this is for Bitcoin. Selain daripada tu, let's take a look at what I found on Twitter. We have this chart right here yang menunjukkan first quarter of 2025 will be bullish. Historically, the last quarter of a US election and the first quarter of the following year have always been bullish for Bitcoin. So 2023 pump, 2017 pump, 2021 pump, and sekarang 2025. Let's see if history plays out. Another interesting thing is TechDev has posted, history tells us the candle that starts tomorrow is for altcoins. So inilah 6-month Bitcoin chart, right? Dan setiap 1280 hari kita nampak Bitcoin dominance telah drop. Bitcoin dominance telah drop. Bitcoin dominance, will it drop? Let's see. We open up the chart untuk Bitcoin dominance. We can see that currently kita dah reject di mid trend line sini, tapi kita masih nak tengok dia break structure ini, and of course structure ini bersamaan dengan garisan biru di sini. So if this chart is correct dan historical data ni betul dan trend masih mengikut historical data, then we should see this continue down dan break dua level yang kita sedang monitor ini. Dan bila ini berlaku, that's when we'll see that altcoin season akan bermula. Sekarang pun anda boleh tengok altcoin seperti Solana telah pump, Ethereum belum gerak lagi, Solana pump, Pepe had a decent move. We're seeing some crypto start to move as well. Popcat started to break out of its range, 4-hour range right here. So there is some movement in the altcoin sector, tapi belum ganas lagi sebab Bitcoin dominance masih bergerak sideways. Right, we're still moving sideways di sini. Kita belum berjaya break this support level. So once we see a breakdown here, that's when we'll potentially move out of this range, this large range sini, dan sambung ke bawah. So right now, Bitcoin is pulling back. I would like to see this come down here, dan bila dia telah jumpa support, saya nak dia sambung ke atas, dan bila kita sampai ke 100k, that's likely when we can squeeze up and potentially make new highs. So for now, we can see lower time frame trend sedang berubah, tapi kita nak tengok dia break this big structure sini. That's when we'll possibly see higher time frames such as 4 hour mula berubah ke atas juga. But right now, things are looking quite promising. Kita nampak ada change of character. We have to see it find some support here before it continues up. So if I were to take a long trade for Bitcoin, saya akan ambil long di sini, lebih kurang 95.3 ribu. Dan kalau you guys sedang fikir platform mana nak trade Bitcoin, this is the platform I'm using right now, which is Pionex. It's a really good platform. Ada banyak feature baru di Pionex. Ada multi-margin mode yang bermaksud anda boleh open kripto yang sama, pair yang sama, contoh Bitcoin, anda open sebuah Bitcoin trade dengan leverage 10x, anda boleh open lagi satu Bitcoin trade dengan leverage 20x, dan anda boleh open beberapa position dengan kripto yang sama, dengan leverage yang berbeza, dengan direction yang berbeza juga. So this is the only crypto platform yang ada feature ini. It's basically like forex lah. Di forex anda boleh open long, open short dengan lot size yang berbeza. Same thing that they have on Pionex, tapi untuk crypto. So very great platform. A lot of improvements coming through it. You guys boleh tekan link di bawah video ini dan register Pionex. Kalau anda dah register Pionex, make sure you guys join the academy, sebab bila anda open account Pionex, anda layak untuk join the Kyzen Crypto Academy, di mana kita trade, kita ada live stream 4 kali seminggu untuk guide anda A to Z dalam dunia crypto. So itu saja untuk video kali ini, just a short and quick video. Jangan lupa like, comment dan juga subscribe. See you guys in the next video.